Hello, welcome to week 4. I hope you're enjoying the book, Groundswell. I have it here. And also the book Alone Together that you're reading through the eBrary. These books are so practical. I know that many times when you're taking graduate level courses, we're learning about theory and academic matters regarding the discipline. And this is also academic, but it's very practical. These are the kind of books you could use in discussions with those who you are working with, whether it be, in a job or in a nonprofit, or, as you're working in teams. This information is actually very relevant to the campaigns that you'd be working on. So this week you're looking at Chapter 8 in Groundswell, which is helping the groundswell support itself. And there's a lot of discussion in this chapter about support communities and how they change a company. And there's really good examples of how this has taken place. Pay careful attention to that. That I think is very interesting. And as you see how things changed over time from having call support for clients who purchased items or purchased services, having direct call support, moving into the call centers and moving into automated telephone systems, and then evolving into support communities, and how that has actually been very helpful. So I think you'll find that interesting. Alone Together, you're reading about no need to call. And we have reached the midpoint to this course. Good news is, in this class, we do not have a midterm. Rather, you're working ahead on your case study, which is due week 6. So this week you will be doing a reflective essay, a discussion board, doing your reading, and I hope you're really spending careful time on the reading, because the reading is very, very informative, relevant, and I think very practical, that you can use it as well. So do your discussion board, do your reflective essay, and I have posted a couple of informational YouTube and videos here for you. So take a look at those. And your case study is due week 6. The information for it is in the week 6 folder. So please do choose your case study. If you have any questions or want some feedback as to your choice, do reach out to me. And I'm always here to pray for my students. Should you have any prayer requests, do reach out to me as well. And, just as a point of faith integration, as you're reading these strategies and tactics, think about them in churches. I've seen a lot of churches work in a way that's very similar to businesses who take advantage of the groundswell. And so it's actually facilitated growth and kind of building community within the faith-based sector as well. I'm here to help. Should you need anything, I'm a phone call, email away. God bless you and have a great week.